Hi everyone, Whimsy here, Whimsy Meadows. Happy Yule, first of all. And today it's just barely sprinkling, and it has been raining all night. I woke up to it being raining. And today I thought that I would just bring you outside. It seemed like a good day to be outside. And to be one with the fae folk. Because I do believe in fairies. If you do too, good for you. Today I like to do a little bit of an offering so that they may bring us beautiful blooms in the springtime as we head into winter, and all the flowers. We still have flowers because, I live in California, so the weather doesn't get too cold, and it could be spring, summer, winter, and fall all in one day. So we do pretty much experience all the seasons, really, possibly. I mean, it could even feel like summer in the wintertime and winter in the summertime, though not very often. But still the same. I like to do a bit of offering to my friends, the fairies, and the fae folk. For they do provide us. Sorry for the noise, but my backyard happens to be attached to, on the other side of the wall, there is a train track, and there's there's a highway, busy street, industrial. So I try to escape to nature the best way that I can. So I thought today I could bring you outside and we could do an offering. And I've done this before and they've taken them. What I like to use if I can find them in my pockets. And what I like to use weird. Oh, there we go. Okay. And what I like to use is, if you're going to do any offering to the fairies, is to try to use something as natural. These are like some kind of nut, I believe that they were. I don't know what kind of nut they were, but they were some kind of nut, and they act like cute little bowls, I think, to hold the offering. And today what I'm going to offer them is I'm going to offer them some honey and some cinnamon, because they like that. They seem to like honey and cinnamon. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So basically, I have with me some honey. I have some cinnamon. And I have a spoon. So I'm going to offer them some cinnamon. Okay. Not too much, but I'm going to offer them some cinnamon. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Try to do this with one hand. Oh, and I feel it sprinkling. So I gotta hurry up. Okay, so we got some cinnamon, and then I'm also going to offer them, sorry, I'm like trying to dig everything out of my deep coat pockets. But I'm also offering them some honey. The more natural the honey, the better, of course. So I'm going to offer them some honey. And I like the honey too. And this is my way of just offering them something in exchange for what they do to show my appreciation. So then what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to take my offerings and I'm going to place them right here. Oops. As you can see. Okay. So there is my offerings. And the last time I did this, the next day they were gone. So whether the fairies took them or some critters, because we do have critters around here, but that's okay because the fairies like that I provide for the forest animals as well. We get possums and raccoons and squirrels and skunks and all kinds of critters. So that's it for today. I want to thank you guys for joining me. It's starting to sprinkle, so I'm going to head back inside. But I love you. Thank you for watching. You gotta love the highway ambience. Until next time, blessed be all. Bye-bye.